Hello everybody. In the last class we have studied about the different type of microorganisms, and in that we have studied the bacteria. Today we will be studying about the photosynthetic bacteria. Photosynthetic bacteria, as the name suggests, these are the bacteria that are capable of making their own food. So these are the photosynthetic bacteria, and in that too we would be studying about cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria, that is commonly known as the blue-green algae. Cyanobacteria is, let us see its characteristics. What are the characteristics of a cyanobacteria? These are prokaryotic, gram-negative, photoautotrophic organism. Photoautotrophic, photoautotrophic organism. So cyanobacteria, commonly known as blue-green algae, the characteristics are these are the prokaryotic, gram-negative, photoautotrophic organism, and these are distributed all over the world. Distributed all over the world. Let me tell you that this cyanobacteria word is a Greek word. It's a Greek word that means cyano means blue and bacteria means rot. Cyano means blue and bact, B-A-C-T. Bact stands for the rod shape of the bacteria. So these are the prokaryotic organism as all the bacteria are, and these are gram-negative photoautotrophic organism and distributed all over the world. Grow wherever they get suitable moisture and temperature conditions. These grow at any of the temperature conditions. These are predominantly aquatic and occur mostly in fresh water. Aquatic, and that too they need fresh water. These occur in fresh water habitat. Many species are terrestrial and grow on moist rocks, moist soils in cultivated and uncultivated lands and tree trunks. Terrestrial also, these are terrestrial also as I told you, and grow on rocks, moist soils in cultivated and uncultivated lands, in cultivated and uncultivated lands, and tree trunks. Few species are marine and few live in hot springs, that is 70 to 75 degrees Celsius the temperature, like the Formidium, Mastigocladus. Few species are marine. Some also grow in hot springs of 70 to 75 degrees Celsius of temperature. Let's see some examples of these. Examples are Formidium, and Mastigocladus. And some also grow in low temperature polar regions. Low temperature polar regions. Examples are Nostoc, Schizothrix, and Microcoelus. Red color of Red Sea is due to abundance of a planktonic cyanobacteria Trichodesmium. The red color of the Red Sea. Red color of the Red Sea is due to the abundance of planktonic cyanobacteria. Planktonic cyanobacteria. Examples are Trichodesmium. Some live in symbiotic association with other organisms, algal partner in lichens, Encycus caroloid roots, and waterfern azolla. Symbiotic algae. Symbiotic association. Symbiotic association, like the best example we have heard so many times, the example is the lichens. Lichens, the algal partner. The algal partner of the lichen is a cyanobacteria, and in cycus coralloid roots. Organization of thallus ranges from unicellular to branched forms. Let's see the cellular organization of the cyanobacteria. Organization of thallus. First is the unicellular cyanobacteria. Unicellular cyanobacteria include Crocococcus, unicellular polar thalli with a definite base and apex. Unicellular polar thalli with a definite base and apex. Definite base and apex. Let's see its diagram how it looks. It has a base and it goes like this. It is a double membranous structure like this. This example is of chemisiphon. Now multicellular colonial forms include trichodesmium. Multicellular colonial form. Colonial form example are trichodesmium and microcystis. Trichodesmium and microcystis. Simple unbranched forms without heterocyst and echinites. Simple unbranched forms without heterocyst. What are these heterocysts? These heterocysts help in the nitrogen fixation, and this is present in the Oscillatoria and Spirulina. Examples of simple unbranched forms without heterocyst are Spirulina and Oscillatoria. Let's see its diagram, how it looks. Oscillatoria, it looks like this. This type of structure, and it has this lines on it. Oscillatoria, and let's see the Spirulina. It has a spiral shape as the name suggests. It's like this. This is the Spirulina. Now simple unbranched filamentous with heterocyst. Simple unbranched filaments with heterocyst. Examples are nostoc, anabina. Let's see the diagram of nostoc. Nostoc looks like this. It has a heterocyst. These are the structures that help in nitrogen fixation. So these were the different type of structures of the cyanobacteria. Flagella are completely absent, but the movement occurs in some genera by special gliding motions. Such motions are concentrated with the secretion of mucilage. So let's see the broad structure of a cyanobacteria. Structure of cyanobacteria. This outermost is the cell wall of the cyanobacteria. This outermost is the cell wall, and this is the cell membrane. These are the chromosomes. These are the chromosomes. These are the gas vacuole, and this is the thylakoid. These are the thylakoid, and there are some lipid droplets also. These are the lipid droplets. It also has a slimy covering outside it. Slimy covering. This is a slimy covering around the cell of the photosynthetic bacteria, cyanobacteria. This is the slimy covering. It also has ribosomes. We have not drawn the ribosomes. It has ribosomes also. These are the ribosome, and that too of 70S type. 70S type ribosomes. So it has pigment granules also. It has pigment granules. These are the pigment granules. So this is the structure of cyanobacteria. It has gas vacuoles, chromosomes, pigment granules, slimy covering outside the cell wall. Cell membrane is also there, thylakoids, ribosome of 70S type, and lipid droplets. So today we have studied about the cyanobacteria, and in the next class we will be studying about economic importance of the different types of bacteria. Thank you.